uh, I built this website where you just need to upload your car images. For example, I have these 3 car images, so I just upload these 3 car images, and it will automatically analyze and get the feature of the car without entering any information. For example, if I want to update this information is wrong. So if I just need to set, okay, so registered in location Chicago is wrong, please update with the city name New York City, New York, in all over the place of the website. Thank you. So it's update the information here and here as well. Okay, so the car price is wrong. The car price is 16,000 USD. Please update the price. Thank you. So whatever information you want to update, you just need to tell it and it will update it. For example, okay, there is one car feature is missing, which is cruise control hybrid. Please add the cruise control hybrid as well. Thank you. See, it's there. So we can easily means update any information to this, and we can use this functionality in many other business use cases. If anyone want this kind of thing, please do let me know. Okay, thank you. Bye.